Today we are going to conduct a Design of Experiments DOE on how are we going to make the crispiest fries. So we're going to use three types of potatoes: Idaho potatoes, white potatoes, and finally Michigan potatoes. So, to make the potato crispy, we are going to have to moisturize it at room temperature. And we are going to moisturize it with cold ice. And also, the cooking times will be different. There's 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 7 minutes. So down below here, after we conduct the experiment, we will measure the freshness in time, and it will depend on the room temperature and the cold ice. And we will do the experiment later. So we conducted 18 different experiments. So how do we get 18? So there's 3 types of potatoes, 2 ways to moisturize the potato, and 3 cooking times. And the product of 3 times 3 times 2 is 18. And we cooked the potato at 165 degrees Fahrenheit and with using vegetable oil. So we evaluated all the times and data, and we discovered that 7 minutes is the best cooking time for the French fry. So this is the data from 7 minutes. So here are the types of the potatoes. And this column shows the crispiness. And it shows us like which moisturization method is better for the French fry. And then in this column, there's the time in minutes. And it tells us how long can the French fry can still be fresh. So we examined the data, and then we came up with some conclusions. So the first conclusion is that if you put the potato in a bucket of cold ice before cooking it, the French fry would be more crispy. The second conclusion is that if you use the same moisturization method, the French fry can be more fresh for a longer time. So these three French fries all were crispy, and this French fry coming from the Idaho potato had the longest freshness time. So therefore, the Idaho potato should be used to make the crispiest French fry. Thank you for listening.